Hey guys, it's Tina with Luxury Time NYC, and we're back with another beautiful piece. Introducing the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak, reference number 77451ST.ZZ.1361ST.03, where sports meets sophistication. Crafted in stainless steel with the factory diamond set bezel, this piece delivers the unmistakable Royal Oak presence with the refined edge. Clean lines, iconic design, and exceptional finishing, making this watch effortless on the wrist and impossible to ignore. Elegant enough for evening wear, versatile enough for every day. This is modern luxury done right. It's available right now, Luxury Time NYC. We're located at 15 West 47th Street, Suite 302, New York, New York. You can give us a call at 917-409-5797 or shoot us a message at WhatsApp. Bye, guys.